Hi guys. So who exactly is Diane's Teas? My name is Diane Gracely. I'm the owner of Diane's Teas. And I'm going to teach you how to make money online. I'm going to teach you how to earn passive income. I have 24 years experience working online as an entrepreneur. The first thing you want to do is watch my home business success story video. That will give you an idea of the success I've had with working from home. So, welcome to my channel. I hope you'll subscribe to my videos. I'm a t-shirt designer. I can teach you how to design t-shirts for a living. And so much more. I have tons of home business ideas that I've had for myself that just never had the time to bring them to fruition. So I'm going to share all this with you in upcoming weekly videos. I may do some daily. I may do some 2-3 times a week. Subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss them. I'm going to show you how to work at home and make money online. Thanks. Have a great day.